Hello everybody, this is the Nokia 3310, the version of 2017, and I want to show you in this video how to remove the SIM card. Okay, let's turn the phone like this, and below you have a notch in here. You have to remove this back cover first. Go with your fingernail in this notch and lift it up a bit, be brave, and remove it. Well, be brave and zack. Okay, then remove the battery. You go here, press a bit down, and then you can remove the battery like this. Because your contacts, they are flexible, press a bit in this direction and you can remove the battery. Okay, on the top you have the micro SD card. If you want to remove the SIM card, you have to remove the micro SD card first. Let us remove the micro SD card like this. Okay, now we are free to remove the SIM card. Okay, for the SIM card, you just press a bit down the SIM card and then you can remove it. You see, press a bit and hold it a bit with your nail and you can remove it. Okay, that's it. And now you can put another one or close it again and sell it like this as you want. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, if you want, you can give me a thumbs up. It's very helpful for my videos. Or a nice comment is always welcome. Thank you so much for, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.